Okay, I'll go through each problem, but keep your eyes on the right-hand side on the answers. Okay, changing to scientific notation, it's 4.193. Remember, we only want one digit on the left-hand side of the decimal. Times 10. And let's see, how many space? Here's the decimal here. I want the decimal over there. How many spaces is that? Did I have to move it? 3, 6, 9. So it's 10 to the 9th. Number 2, that's 22 hundredths. And 2 will go into both of those. 11 over half of 22 is 11. Half of 100 is 50. On number 3, remember, do the exponents first. That comes before multiplying. 2 to the 4th, that's 4 2s. 2 of them make 4, so we have 4 times 4. That's 16. And I'll bring this 4 down. So 4 times 16 is 64. On number 4, that's 21. I'm going to do inside the parentheses first. 21 divided by 3. I don't know why I put minus, but it's 21 divided by 3. That's 7. And then I'll do the times. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 plus 7, that's 8. And there's more negative. I have 8 minus 14, there's more negative. And how much more? Let's see, 14 take away 8 is 6. The answer is negative 6. Remember, if you're more comfortable, you can always do the change thing. You can do that if you wish. Okay, number 5, 18 minus 3, that is 15. And 4 minus 11 is negative. Let's see, 11 take away 4 is 7. So it's negative 7. The absolute value of 15 is 15. That's how many spaces from 0. How many spaces from 0 is negative 7? 7. So 15 minus 7 is 8. On number 6, I divide by negative 6 with the variable by itself. That's gone. Hey, divided by a negative on both sides. Switch the arrow. And did I write this correct? Yeah, I put 32 there. So 6 goes into 32. Let's see, how many times? Well, let's just separate it out. 2 will go into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into half of 32 is 16. So you could leave your answer as 16 over 3, but we want to make it improper. 3 goes into 16 5 times with 1 left over. So that is our answer. And notice we have 2 negatives, so they cancel. So it's positive 5 1/3. X is greater than 5 1/3. Number 7, I subtract 8 both sides. That's gone. Do I need to change the arrow if I subtracted? No. That's only if you divide or multiply by negative on both sides. And this is what? Negative 8. There's more negative. How much more? 2. So now I graph it. And here's negative 2. Let's see, that's an open circle because there's no bar. You shade with the arrow. The arrow is pointing to the right. Shade to the right. And these are all the solutions that will work for x. On number 8, I'll do the shortcut version. 3 goes in there once. 3 goes into 18, 6. So I have a 6 up on top. Okay, and let's see. I have 3x on top, 1 on the bottom. So that means I have 2 more up on top than on the bottom. And for the y's, I have 4 more y's than on the bottom. So basically, we're subtracting the exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now remember, if you're still not comfortable with this, do it the long way. And you'll see what you have if you cross things out, cancel things, reduce. 6 x squared y to the 4th. Number 9, same base, you just add the exponents. 7 and negative 20. If you want to put a plus there. 7 and negative 20 is negative 13. That's the exponent for the 15 to the negative 13 power. Okay, we're taking a power of a product here. So we're going to multiply the exponents. If there's no exponent there, it's the invisible one. So we have 6 squared. A to the 2 times 3 is 6. And for the B, 2 times 2 is 4. So see that? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36. It's not 12. It's not 6 times 2. It's 6 times 6, 36. A to the 6, B to the 4th. Number 11, hey, there's a negative exponent. Location, location, location. That's in the wrong position. It should be down below. And when you bring it down below, it's now positive, the way it should be. What's on top here is a 0 or 1. It's a 1. So 8 squared is 8 times 8. It's not 8 times 2, it's 8 times 8. Number 12, to get the variable alone, I'm going to add 1/6. So I add 1/6 to both sides. And that's gone. Leaves me with x equals. Common denominator is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Use the same number. 2 times 2 is 4. So I can go ahead and add. I have 4. 4 and 1 makes 5.